Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to Teacher Sundari's channel. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to describe places.
Hi all! Should all take a holiday together this school holidays? That's a great idea indeed.
Where do you want to go, JC?
I want to go to a new city. There is so much to do and see. I want to experience the busy streets of a new city and experience its real culture. That sounds great, but I think I prefer somewhere more relaxing. I like to go to a tiny village, the foot of the high mountain. Sounds great too.
I prefer to go somewhere a little more historical. Visiting historical buildings gives us an insight of culture, history, lifestyle, and tradition.
I'm not interested in history. Places like that would be boring for me. Visiting historical places like traveling to the past. However, I prefer to go a city. There are lots of activities both during the day and at night. How about a beach holiday? A place that is peaceful in its own ways. We can book a place near the beach and drive into the city or to nearby historical sites.
That sounds like a good compromise.
I love the idea. Then let's plan together.
I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for watching.